Namaste, my three viewers.
Tell
Today
me,
I have a
how?
very, very special guest. This is, if I am a river, she's an ocean. So this is the alma mater of my women empowerment comes from Priya. This is Priya Arya. Welcome, Priya, to my show, to my three. I'm very excited, super humbled, honored, privileged, etc., 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 whatever adjectives you can use. So I'm very excited to have you on my show today. So how are you?
Thank you. Thank you. I'm equally excited to be on your show. I think my
Wow.
camera is also excited. It's
Oh,
just
wow.
jumping up and down.
Okay.
See?
So talking about Priya, she's a dynamic, inspirational speaker. I'm sure all my viewers at the end of the show, you will be super inspired and super pumped up about life and positivity in life and all that. I can assure you that. Also talking about Priya, she started as an actress. So that's new to me, Priya. Actually, actress, and then you are in the field of
Really?
counseling, and yeah, I did hear about this, but you were proper into the field of acting. So, and then now a woman empowerer, a human empowerment guide, a counselor, there's a lot more to it. So, how did your journey from glamour to where you are today happen?
The journey is quite twisted because obviously you don't get into glamour thinking that you have to get into it. I come from a typical middle class family who
Okay,
wanted me to become a doctor.
okay, okay.
Then first I rebelled and I got into the hotel management.
Hmm.
Then from there I got this. After I was working with Taj, I got this kid of getting into
Okay,
in the film industry.
yes.
And rest is history, as you say. So I got into it, but film industry I couldn't deal with. So I was more in the television world.
What happened actually?
And
Why people come back telling it's one.
that's a very tough competition, A, and it's a little nasty. I
Okay,
don't want to give any controversial
okay,
statements here,
yeah,
but
yeah,
yeah, I was
yeah.
not okay about it.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, I won't say कि nahi, I was on Sati Savitri, no, but I didn't want to do things for the sake of work.
Yes, true. Okay, I understand it.
So
All right.
that was not my value system. So
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
I did not go ahead with that.
All right.
And apart from that, then television was a good deal.
Mm-hmm.
Neat, clean, nice. Although we had our fights and all of that, but still it was better.
Yeah, I know.
And after a point, then what next? When
Hmm.
that question comes to you, and then of course, when you reach a certain stature, things
Mm-hmm.
start getting and looking more muckier than it
Mm-hmm.
was
True.
at a lower stage.
Hmm.
So then you realize it's not your calling, and you just want to run away.
I know. Yeah. That feeling of
So I just quit
suffocation
acting,
and
and then I got into writing,
mm,
direction, production, everything I did.
mm,
But it was not giving me that inner peace, that happiness.
true, true.
That got me to Bangalore then.
Oh wow. Yes.
And I think I've got my calling.
Awesome. We've got you. That's what we wanted. I mean, you came in the right time in all of our lives. Maybe, that one session with you was like, it took us from platform A to maybe platform H. It was that powerful. Your speech was really, really, really that super inspiration for us. Also, Priya,
Thank
coming
you.
to the real empowerment from the real empowerer, what would you want to say?
I think we have a very wrong notion of empowerment, firstly.
Mm-hmm.
Empowerment is not about putting the other person down.
Correct.
It has been defined like that if I use cuss words, I am an empowered
Mm,
woman. If I
mm,
use this, if I put the men down,
mm,
if I can just be as battameez as I can and I'm an empowered woman, no.
mm, mm.
Empowered woman is a woman who's happy within herself,
True.
within the means she has,
Mm.
with the choices she makes.
Yes, so true.
So a housewife, I know so many empowered housewives. My God, the men are
Yes,
shit scared of them.
yes,
So no, it doesn't mean that if I am a CEO of a company only, then
mm,
I'm empowered. I'm
correct.
equally empowered when I'm a housewife and I'm raising my kids.
Mm.
So empowerment has been twisted by the fake feminism. That is something
Exactly.
I truly stand. It's as bad as a patriarch. key.
Mm-hmm.
These two are extreme ends. An empowered woman will be empowered enough to bring a balance.
Exactly true. Exactly. That's so true as to, it's not putting the other person down. I mean, that makes so much sense.
There's a competition. A man does his job. Me as a woman, I'll do my job. If I want to go ahead and do a job, I'll do a job. Both
Correct.
men and women should then run the house.
Correct.
Then it's not a man's duty to open the door for me and make me feel like a princess. Then it's a wrong thing. Then I should also know how to make him feel like a king.
Hmm.
It's as simple as that. It is not one-way traffic.
Correct. Yes.
So then either I'm apaished that I can't stand in a bus. Then I
Mm.
don't want those special woman seats. Why?
Mm.
Until unless I'm pregnant, then it's a different thing. Or I'm carrying a child, then it's a different thing.
Yes.
Otherwise, why do I need a special woman seat?
I know. So women have this
हम भी
thing
तो
of,
खड़े हो
okay,
सकते हैं ना हमारे क्या हो गया
yeah, yeah. They want the special privilege, but still they don't want the thing of, okay, we are not
हाँ,
we.
so you can't have the cake as well as the bakery. I'm sorry.
Okay. Yes. That's.
Then strike for complete equality.
Mm. Mm.
I will go for work. I will not give my salary घर पे. But the
Mm.
man is not just supposed to take care of the house, but everything else, and I will not even cook. I will not do anything.
Oh.
पागल है आदमी. While I am myself hijacking, see the
Mm.
kids are always with the woman.
Correct.
And we
Yes.
see so many fake cases around where the
Mm.
father is taken, that there are no rights to even meet the child.
Mm. True.
Tell me something. I'll ask a very simple question I ask everybody.
Mm.
Who are you more close to? Your Masi or your Bua?
Mm. Mm. What's Masi and boss? Sorry, I'm very bad in Hindi.
Masi is
Masi's
your mother's sister.
sister.
Bua
Okay.
is your father's sister. Who are you more close to? Which set of cousins? Your maternal cousins or your
Of
paternal
course,
cousins?
maternal. I mean, kind of maternal cousins. Yeah, with me.
My paternal has done some problem
No,
because we
not
are
like
close
that.
to our mothers.
True. Oh
And
my
what our
God.
mother feels, we feel.
Mm.
So
I.
the entire family is actually hijacked by a woman. While the father is working hard, being
Mm.
called a patriarchy and all of that, he's working hard there. When he comes back home, he knows his children are not his, they're his wives.
Mm. Today, Maitri is going to get a new twist. Men are going to be like,
And then we feminists
"Squeeze
stand up and say, poor woman.
out." Of course,
It is
yes.
not about poor women or poor men. We are way more superior, is what I feel, because we have the capability of bringing in a new life to the world.
Mm. That's so true. Yes.
This is so much in itself. Then why am I wanting to compare this beautiful phenomenon
Mm.
with anything else? Why am I cribbing about this phenomenon?
True.
I think this was the best thing I could do as a human being, bringing to life.
Wow.
So saying, oh, and making it sound as if there's something, it is so beautiful.
I
Why are we
know.
making it sound like a core?
Yes. I think the mindset itself needs to be changed, even in women.
Yeah,
They should treat themselves as, they're doing something beyond what a man can do.
it is a magical moment.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm sure so many men would want to give their right hands for this.
Of course. Yes, of course. 100%. So,
Then
yeah.
show
It's
me where do we talk about father's love as if fathers don't love the kids at all? It is always our mother, 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 mother.
true. I know. I mean, for daughters, it's more father
We have
in
to
a
push back
sense.
the
Yes.
entire thing.
I know. Yeah.
I'm talking about alpha and beta. See,
Hmm.
even in men,
Hmm.
every man is not patriarchal. Every man is not an alpha male.
Correct.
The beta men also get beaten up at home by their wives. When we see a Belanwala photo,
Hmm.
we laugh.
Hmm.
Boy, when we see a man hitting a wife, we get angry. That is where our core stands.
So true.
We will not empathize with a man being beaten up.
Correct.
I will not see stories. There was this incident in Pakistan where an old man died because his daughter-in-law raped him multiple times.
Oh my God.
Such stories will never be shown. because there's no money riding behind it. Please, you have to understand the finances riding behind things. Men commodities are less. The corporates will invest less in men. Corporates invest more in women because they want to sell their products. And corporates are the place where money comes in from. It is a global phenomenon. So feminism becomes an easy way of pushing money.
Correct. I mean, it's a huge story.
It is an easy way of getting emotions attached.
True. Yeah.
To create a need and sell a product.
Oh my God. That like behind the scenes jo hota hai, I mean, it's so different to what we see in reality.
If there are 100 rapes, if there are 100 rapes, or molestation, rapes is a higher word.
Yes.
100 cases of molestation, 70% are boys. Do we ever hear those stories?
No, actually.
We will never hear those stories unless you're in that field and working.
That's true. Yes.
Boys themselves don't come and tell because it is like a sissy thing for them to come and cry. Boys don't cry.
They don't. I know. Yes. The societal pressure.
The man died. That Pakistani man died. Still, people were laughing on that post.
Oh my God.
Have you seen anybody laughing when we say a woman died out of rape? No. That is our mindset.
Oh my God. This is
and when you talk to
an
eye
opener.
The hell breaks loose.
I know. Yes. It's a new perspective for all of us to think over and also analyze. Yeah. Thanks, Priya, for that. Also, coming back to yourself, how was Priya as a child and as a teenager? Was she as rebellious as she is now? I mean, rebellious for good reasons, of course. Let me put it that way.
No. I am a rebel.
Okay.
As a child, I was a very quiet child.
Oh.
So I never used to communicate anything.
What?
Then one fine day, volcanic eruption happened. Yeah, I was a very quiet child.
Oh, wow.
And,
can't imagine.
till my hormones kicked in standard 7. I was amongst those last benchers and the first benchers.
First benchers, yeah.
Who doesn't talk much, naughty at all. Then in 7th, everything changed. Then my hormones kicked in, and then the entire kaya palat jisko bolte hai na, wo hua. And before my parents could understand what happened, I was a different person.
Oh.
So my poor parents kept blaming the schools, kept blaming the colleges, kept blaming the world. The change, but this change was so internal.
Oh, wow. Yeah, I know.
So, yeah.
Good. That's a huge.
Then we say rest is history. Bombay to I bhag ke aayi thi.
Huh. Oh,
I had ran away from home.
Oh.
Bombay.
Wow. Agar na, if we write a book on you, if I start write a biography on you, I'm sure it's going to be a hit. It's a literal like dramatic Bollywood movie as a life. I mean, that's so amazing.
I have always, I think, broken the norms.
Yes.
I've never done anything which is normal. Never.
Okay. I mean, that's a sign of being, this is who I am, this is what I want, this is what I want to be in my life. I mean, that you had that in that age. So it's in you.
And somehow the society also came around. I don't know how.
Okay.
Everything just fell in place.
Wow.
Everything was fine.
That's the destiny's child jo bolte hai na. I mean.
नहीं destiny's कोई child हूँ वैसे हूँ destiny's child भी हूँ 2-3 जगह बहुत बड़ी मुसीबत में.
Oh, उस वक्त destiny आएगा. Yeah. True.
When you run away at 20 something, obviously there will be some incidences which could have knocked you off completely.
I know.
But yeah, God was with me.
Thankfully.
God was with me.
Yeah.
Otherwise, life would have been very different.
Also, Priya,
I was almost there in human trafficking.
What?
Yes.
Oh my God, that's like a shocker.
Thankfully, my passport was not made.
Oh.
My passport ko aane mein 2 din lage extra.
Oh.
Otherwise, I would have been in Dubai, sold off somewhere.
Oh my God. Okay. Seriously, Bhagwan ka haath hai. I mean, listening to your story, I'm like, okay.
There was another friend of mine who went in that same trap.
Huh?
How she came out from there, she came back with all bruises on her body. She was
Oh my.
beaten up. You know, what you see in
I
the
know.
serials is not
Yeah.
wrong there.
Yeah. Yeah. True. True.
So she was beaten up, her passport taken, and all of that. So
Mm,
I got saved by 2 days.
mm. Oh my
The
God.
the international Indian system back then,
Mm.
the late Latif Indian system helped me.
Ayyo. Okay. Yeah. Somehow, God played. Yeah.
Yeah,
Also,
it was a simple thing. As a 20 something, you don't know, Andra.
you don't
They
know.
came and they said, okay, there's a troop going,
Mm,
filmy troop going, so you
mm,
have to go with the troop.
I know.
It was as
Mm,
simple as that. It was supposed to be a troop going for a show.
mm. Who would even imagine, such kind, and it's oh my God, it's scary.
And that too, people who are known around you. How will
Oh,
you imagine this?
unimaginable. Yeah, yeah.
It's,
Oh,
it's crazy.
also Priya, आपके life में, I mean, is there anything that you're scared of? Anything at all?
After seeing all this, there's nothing left to be scared of. I've seen it all, I think.
Yeah, well put.
I have seen, this is still okay. I got saved, so painful नहीं था. Shocker था, पर
Shocker.
painful नहीं था.
I know.
Then, हाँ, shocker तो major था ना. Now imagine you are getting so shocked. I
Oh
went to
my
it.
God.
What
Seriously. Yeah. Yeah.
So, shocker था. I went into a state of uh, like I was cold.
Mm.
It was like
Like
this could
numbness.
have been me, and my
I
life would have been spoiled forever. वो tag लग जाता है.
can't even imagine. Yeah.
Forever it would have been done. Whether you've done something or not done something, वो tag लग गया ना.
Why? I mean, life is
तो
like
वो तो बच गए. बच
but
गई.
I know. Seriously. Yeah.
तो उसके बाद then I got married.
Mm,
2000 I got married.
mm.
2002 my husband expired.
Oh, sorry
So I've
about
seen
that.
death also
Mm,
closely. I think I've seen everything. There's nothing left to be scared of now.
mm.
So if I could get over all of this, everything else is fine.
Correct. I think the story itself.
Life goes on.
Yeah, true. Yeah. Also, Priya, how do you get this confidence from? Like, it's not an attitude like that. I don't care about others. It's not like that with you, but it is like, I know what I'm doing. So this is my space. No, better keep off. I mean, your opinions are to yourself. This is what I think, and it matters to me.
This confidence comes from the basic fact that I'm not looking for validation from
Mm,
others.
mm,
If I'm taking a decision,
mm.
I take a decision and then make it right, as Ratan Tata said.
Yes.
If it goes wrong,
Yes.
then also it is my headache.
Correct. True.
फिर गाली पड़ेगी तो एक्सेप्ट करनी पड़ेगी, पड़ जाएगी गाली, चलो ठीक है, सॉरी बोल देने का, निकल जाने का.
Correct.
You're human. The day you realize this, that you're human and human error is a part and parcel of life.
Mm,
It doesn't, you taking a step back is not something horrible,
I know.
or it will not be judged.
Correct.
And even if it is judged, it will be judged till the time you get that major success.
Mm, mm. True.
So this, if you put it here in your head,
Mm,
then overall your life becomes easy. Yes, you will have, see, we all are humans. So I will not say I'm always like this. I have my ups and my downs.
mm, mm,
But then those downs are very short-lived.
mm. True.
And then you become very solution-centric rather than, oh, log kya kahenge. You don't think about log then.
I know.
You don't think about log jo kahenge. वो लोग तो कहेंगे ही ना.
कहीं
हम भी तो लोग हैं.
Yeah.
हम भी तो बात करते हैं ना सबके लिए.
Correct.
So उसको लेके इतना serious क्यों होने का? Nobody will come and run your kitchen. You have to run your own kitchen.
Exactly. Exactly. Yeah. So Priya, coming
Unless you're being anti-society, if you're being like absolute nuisance to the society, then it's a different thing. So
Correct.
being in the societal norms,
Mm,
I am not a nuisance where there's no parties and drugs happening in my house.
I know. Yes.
Little parties, little get-togethers, everybody that just at dinner pe koi ya lunch pe koi, that's a different thing.
That's
But I'm not creating nuisance. There's no antisocial element in me that people should literally
Yeah.
think wrong about me.
Correct.
So also how you project yourself. Again, it's really different.
Yes. So coming to Smilofy, how did it start? When did it start? Why did it start? I mean, it says emotional intelligence.
Not just that. Now Smilofy is Smilofy India Foundation.
Oh, wow.
So we have
Okay.
gone the NGO route.
Okay. Okay.
And in fact, on Sunday only, we had a huge medical camp in one of the villages.
Yes, I did see your post on
Basically,
Facebook. Yeah. Mm.
Basically, we're spreading as many smiles as we can,
Wow.
giving them new insight,
Mm.
creating, we're getting into education,
Mm. Mm.
education at the grassroots.
Correct.
Also, health,
Mm.
wealth,
Mm.
economics. How do we create more economic pockets around them?
Okay.
And then attaching the grassroots to the international market.
Oh, okay. Yes. I mean,
India is so rich culturally.
true.
India is so rich, uh, even in natural
Mm.
resources.
Mm.
Just that we have not tapped that. So yeah, bringing the international market to the grassroots and grassroots to the international market.
Oh.
That is one part, one small part of Smile of
Mm-hmm.
Life.
Okay. You do counseling sessions, right?
Yes,
Okay.
yes,
Okay.
but not too much.
Okay.
I select and pick. So I
Mm-hmm.
at a time, not more than five.
Oh, okay. Okay. So during a counseling session, sometimes it happens that the clients who come in, they look for your validation. Like they do ask on the face, like, what is your advice, ma'am? What do you say, ma'am? I would want to follow you. So how do you make them independent as such?
I ask one simple question: what do you want?
Hmm. Hmm.
What do you want?
Hmm.
My advice will depend on what do I want.
Correct. Yes.
What do you want?
Hmm.
So sometimes, like yesterday only, there's one of my counselors is like, you keep asking me, what do you want? What do you
Hmm.
want? I don't want to know what do I want. I want you to tell me what should
What
I
do you
do?
want?
What should I
What do
do?
you
Help
think
me.
I want?
So he just literally turned around and said, you help me. I
Correct.
said, how do I help you?
Hmm.
You are stuck in a situation where
Hmm.
you are at a junction.
Correct.
ये करना है कि ये करना है.
Hmm.
You have to not tap deep within yourself and see.
Correct.
मेरे हिसाब से तो ये करना चाहिए, but वो तुम नहीं कर पाओगे because you're not in that emotional state of mind to do that.
Exactly. Yeah.
So then it is a very important question
Hmm.
to know what do I really want.
Hmm. True. True.
Very, very important.
Yeah. Also, a last thing, Priya, I know it's time for you. So, in an NGO, supposedly I want to start an NGO, or I will have this thing in me that I need to give to the society more. So, what is your idea of being in an NGO? What is your concept of giving more to the society?
Every NGO does things very differently.
Okay.
NGO is run by its people. Now,
Mm-hmm.
my core belief system is
Mm.
not victimizing.
Okay. Okay.
My core belief system is empowerment.
Okay.
That no matter what life throws at you,
Hmm.
you have the capability of bouncing back.
Hmm. Yes.
So when we are, and that can be seen in my life story also.
Hmm.
So when we are talking about bouncing back, that is exactly what we're taking to the grassroots.
Mm-hmm.
We are helping them bounce back rather than tagging them,
Mm.
hai bichare garib. I don't believe in that thing.
Mm. Mm.
I don't believe anybody's bichara. If a
Mm.
cheatie can also survive without anybody's help. So we humans are better than cheaties or no? Utana to dimag diya hai na Bhagwan ne.
Yes.
We can survive.
Mm.
If we want to survive
If we
without this,
want.
this victim card is something that is I have never understood.
Mm. Mm.
So when we go into the interiors and all, we work with them to
Mm.
make them more empowered and throw
Mm.
this victimhood and that dependency
Mm.
on the government bodies rather than become self-sustainable.
Mm-hmm.
So that is my core, and that is why Smilofy is doing what my core is.
Okay.
And thankfully, I can't do it alone. Obviously, you need a team to
Yes.
stand by you. So
Yes.
thankfully, I have been lucky to have a team which is in alignment with my thinking.
Mm-hmm.
And so the work is
Wow.
happily happening.
Good.
Now comes to you. Now, what is firstly, you have to figure out what is your core.
Mm-hmm.
What are you good at?
Correct.
And how you can effortlessly give to the society.
So true. So true.
So it
Um,
starts within again.
within again. So true. So true. Not holding you back for a long time. I know that you sing very well, and you
Oh
are,
no,
of
no,
course,
no. Who said so?
you act and
Who
sing
said I
very
sing?
well. Yeah, of course, we know.
No.
Okay.
अरे नो बाबा सबको भगाना है. Look at my voice.
At least act तो कर सकते हो कुछ
Act कर सकती
हाँ,
हूँ,
कुछ
sing
भी
करूँ।
कुछ भी. I mean, acting or singing. We want to see the fun side of Priya Arya today.
I think singing is better. Acting is very boring.
Okay,
I will sing only.
your choice.
Um, When I was just a little girl, I asked my mother, what will I be? Will I be pretty? Will I be rich? Here's what she said to me. Que sera, sera. Whatever will be, will be. The future's not ours to see. Que sera, sera. What will be, will be.
Oh,
Que sera, sera.
oh, that's super awesome. Thank you so much for coming in, Priya. That's a virtual hug from me to you. Uh,
You
thank
too.
Thank you. All right. Thank you so much for coming in. Stay safe. Love to you. All the best to you. All the best to Smilify. And keep rocking like how you do.
Yes, thank you. And same to you. I'm so happy to see you grow multiple folds.
Oh,
Anywhere, anything I can be of any help, do let me
of
know.
course. You
Or
are
if
the alma mater.
anything.
Sure.
Yes.
Yes. Thank you. Bye-bye. Stay
Okay,
connected,
bye.
guys. Thank you
Yes.
for inspiring stories and enlightened stories here. Thank you for coming in. Thank you for watching.